Hi guys, my name is Chau Ba. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what it's like to be me, or just some footages I filmed over the past 2 weeks. So I hope you enjoy. So if you didn't know, I live really near Washington DC, and this is actually Georgetown. It's my absolute favorite place to go. There's just so much shopping here. I'm broke, by the way, but it's really nice to just go around the streets. There's like a really nice vintage and bougie feel to everything, and like it's just so breathtaking here. And even the clothing stores look really high end, and this is actually an H&M, and just check out this roof detailing. Like, can you just imagine it? It's like so breathtaking. And then on that special day, I got to go to Crumbs and Whiskers, which is a cat cafe, though I didn't see any people ordering anything. But I mean, I was there with a friend to just go and hang out with the kitties and pet them. It was so adorable, and like I'm still crying right now. I love animals so much. And by the way, this is like at the entrance. They usually hang out here, and yeah, there is so many little kitties to be adopted. And if you notice over there, there's a lot like pee, I think. This place was also very nice, pretty, cozy, and very Instagrammable. I love this cat. Her name is Freya, and she's just like the fluffiest thing you'll ever touch. So I love her so much. She was sleeping so peacefully too, and every experience comes with a Polaroid. It feels free, but yeah, we're actually paying. But I would love to come back just for that Polaroid. In the afternoon, I went to Kenilworth Park, which is this like aquatic park where there are a lot of lotuses and water lilies, and it's just so nice. I never thought that Washington DC had such a park to offer, and it was a very nice little escape from all the urbanization, and we saw a lot of like insects, like this cool dragonfly and tadpoles. I've never seen tadpoles in my life because I grew up in the city. And also the song is just like chef's kiss. Yeah, and I also need to shut up. Bye. So I just got back from Five Below, and this is what I got. I got these LED curtain lights. I also got these moon phases wall decor thing, and guys, do not buy this. It does not look this pretty. Let me show you. So here it is. You can see all the scratches. I think they thought this would like add some aesthetics, but it's actually like really ugly. And the light situation, I think the fairy lights I'm gonna give to my mom because she doesn't have like any lighting in her work corner, and I feel really bad for it. So let's get started on installing that. I low-key not look bad in here. Yeah. So this is my mom's corner. It's not looking so good right now, so I'm just gonna be like... Wow, that was like the worst transition ever. I'm so sorry. And also, I apologize for these shots. I'm just like showing off my Kardashian side. Like, look at that butt and look at my ugly face. And yeah, lots of butt action. Also, the sun was also very angry at me. You can see it moving right there, and it took so long. By the time it was done, it was almost dark. Oh my god, that took such a long time. It was like 5 p.m. when I started. Now it's like almost completely dark. I can't speak English. Oh my god, there's a fire alarm, I think. Goodbye. Nice. I just finished filming and now coming. Woo. So I climbed to like the park nearby, and here I saw the thick firemen to the rescue. Like literally just pressing buttons. I also visited these little birdies. Like I found the other day, and they were just so hungry. I just wanted to check up on how they were doing, aka illegally climbing trees in parks.
Now you're so big.
And the now teenager bird was just so rude. It did not respond. I was very sad. Bye. So after I got home, it was dark, and so here is like a little tour of my mom's desk, aka me being a goddess and bringing her light. I should stop complimenting myself. Sounds so self-obsessed. So the next day was 4th of July, and we had some friends over for like a little lunch, and then yeah, I thought that the fireworks are gonna be like shot here at the Lincoln Memorial and also the Washington Monument, and I was planning to go to the bridge, but like look at all these people. There's like a new Delta variant. Like, are you serious? So I just climbed to the park where I found the little birdies, and I hung out there with the smart people who didn't want to like hang out in crowds and like go kill people with corona. Yeah. Here are the highlights. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you had a great day. Stay safe, and most importantly, like and subscribe, and yeah, stay alive to catch more videos. Thank you. Bye.